Hello everyone. Today, I'm presenting a video featuring the name and function of each part of your pocket watch's wheel train. Let's get started. Barrel. The mainspring stores energy when the watch is wound. This energy is released through the barrel, which drives the gear train. Center wheel, driven directly by the barrel. It usually completes one full rotation every hour and is connected to the minute hand. Third wheel, receives motion from the center wheel and acts as an intermediate transmission element, adjusting the gear ratios. Fourth wheel, typically completes one full rotation every 60 seconds. In many watches, its arbor carries the seconds hand. Escape wheel, receives energy from the fourth wheel and works together with the escapement. It regulates the release of energy in controlled impulses to the balance wheel. In conclusion, the gear train is the mechanical link between the mainspring and the escapement. It controls the flow of energy, regulates speed, and drives the hands, making stable and continuous timekeeping possible in a mechanical watch. If you enjoyed this video and would like to watch the next one, please subscribe to the channel to support the work. See you soon.